The leadership of the judiciary made this majestic walk into the opening of the 2022 new law year, officiated by the head of the executive, President Museveni, at the High Court premises in Kampala. Tough talk characterized the event, first with condemnation of the recently reported cases of torture by the President of Uganda Law Society, Fiona Nabasa Wall.
Also my humble request to you that you shall send a stern message of discipline, that we shall see some action on the officers that are meeting these heinous acts on the citizens of Uganda.
The head of state ignored the reference to the acts of torture with no comment. Instead, Museveni sent a stern warning to those that take the risk to insult members of the military force.
One other thing I must warn you about is attacking the army. That one, I must warn you that free speech was just speaking. Speaking by insulting me and insulting my mother. Now for you to attack them, and then you think things will...
Moments before, the Attorney General, Kriwa Kiwanuka, had expressed displeasure with the emergency of the uncouth and unethical behavior by lawyers in disagreeing with the decision of a judicial officer.
These acts have made the public view lawyers with suspicion. This should no longer be tolerated. This must stop. The respect to members of the bench must be upheld. Your Excellency, I appeal to the advocates of this country to desist from these practices, and in the same vein, I call upon the Law Council to crack the whip on the indiscipline among advocates.
The Chief Justice warned of severe consequences.
There will be consequences. This can never be done in any other country. That you can abuse the person of a judge, make vulgar reference, repugnant reference. What has the genitals of a judge got to do with this decision? It won't be business as usual for those who think, whatever their state of mind is, that they can be right. They can attack individual judges. You attack one judge, you attack all of us.
The matter of bail once again came up as Museveni termed its award by courts an act of provocation to society.
This bail is a provocation. You want people to kill one another. Because among the Banyankore, if you wrong me, my clan is duty bound to revenge. Kora or Kora. When you hear my son's name, Mhozi, when he was born, I said, now I have got somebody to avenge me. That's what his name means.
The head of state was, however, happy with the decision of the judiciary to provide a guidebook for judicial officers on matters bail to guide in taking decision.
The judicature, something, that will say, please, when you are deciding, look at this, look at that, look at that, look at that. I think that will help us.
The contentious proposal for removal of bail has been pending introduction of the amendments before Parliament. But with the President now indicating to be pleased with the processes started by the judiciary to consolidate all decisions on bail, it was to see if the executive will continue with the process of introducing the amendment before Parliament. Jackson Onyango, reporting for NTV.